Whether you're homeschooling or have some property and are interested in knowing what kinds of rocks are nearby you, you're gonna wanna check out this Texas Rocks and Minerals Field Guide. Lots of great illustrations of the rocks that you can find everywhere in Texas. Thick page, laminated, spiral run, very good quality. Talks to you a little bit about the types of rocks that you can find, shows you the pictures, gives you all kinds of information, where to look for them even, which is really cool. Just really nicely done. And this is great for homeschool session. You can take the book out to a location in Texas or even in your backyard. You can find some of these rocks in the backyard, and you can have your toddler try to match the rock to what's in the book. Today we are doing a little bit of learning about rocks ourselves. We found some in the backyard that I pulled, and we're doing some rock observation worksheets. We found some like lava rock, which is kind of cool. And we found this kind of rock also. So it's really cool for toddlers to learn about the shapes, the texture, and how they can find them in the backyard, in the river, the streams, and so forth. So what we're doing is he's practicing big rock, small rock, what color are they? So what color do we want to do this rock, baby? Yeah. And we can color the crown that color, and then we'll do the sizes. And he's already practiced the color of some rocks that you can find. There's all kinds of different color rocks. It's not just brown or cream or anything. We found this big old one in the backyard too, which is cool. We had a bunch of stone that was brought in a long time ago and found this beauty right here. We also have a smooth rock right here. And what's also nice for your toddlers to kind of get their hands on is not just the texture, but what happens when you put it in the water. They change color, right? So that's a nice like sensory activity that you can do also, is just get your toddler to put some in the water. You want to put one in the water?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, pick one. Okay. Right here, baby. Put it in the water. Does it change color?
No.
No. So some of them change color, some of them don't. Try this one right here.
Okay. Ooh, that's changed color.
Yeah, so it gets a little bit darker, right? Here, try this black one.
Okay, that'll be great. Ooh, it turns into.
Put it all in.
It turns into.
Yeah.
It turns into darker black.
It's shiny.
Let's try this one.
So really cool activity. Match it up with learning about the different facts in this rock book. I specifically really love location because like I'm not sure where to find these. They look cool, and I love some of the rocks that can be found in Texas, but you never know quite where to look. So y'all check this book out. It'd be a really good gift for anyone who's into the outdoors or have some property that hasn't really been touched in a while that you want to just go exploring. Y'all check it out. Hopefully you like it as much as we have.